Yeah, so I know about kitchen cabinets because a friend of mine had a positive experience there and they said, hey, give them a go, check them out, and I did, and look, this is where I am now. Okay, so how did I find the whole process of buying the whole kitchen? Well, I think to start, overall, it was quite an easy process. I think there were some challenges, obviously, with different parts and sort of bespoke nature of what I wanted, but at the end of the day, it was a great process and we have a great outcome. The most attractive point about buying a kitchen from the kitchen cabinet company, I think there's 2 points I think about. One is the price compared to the competitors. I thought they were great pricing. And then 2 was the customer service. I felt that the team there really helped guide me through the process, and that was attractive to me also. So how long was the process from buying to getting it started? Well, I think I took probably about 4 weeks. And that was just me considering the other options, considering the different sort of layout, I guess, and amenity and options in the kitchen. So that's how long it took. I think if I was going to give some advice about other people starting off on the same process, I think take your time, consider all the different options, and just sort of be relaxed about the process. Don't be in a hurry, and then that way you have time to consider what you want, what you dislike, and then you have a great outcome. Thanks Kitchen Cabinets for all the great work. I really appreciate it. Cheers.